Hey everyone, it's me Geoffrey, and welcome back to my tech reviews.
If you are looking for a device that suits your everyday needs, well, I got with me the one and only Y7A. The Y7A comes with an enormous 6.67 Full HD Plus display so you can enjoy playing your favorite games and watching your TV series. And if you are into photography, the Y7A offers you a 48 megapixel quad camera setup that suits different photography scenarios like ultra-wide, macro photography, and even night shots and portrait. To top it all, the Y7A comes with an enormous 5000 mAh battery that can last you one day on a single charge. And to ensure you are always on time, the Y7A supports 22 watts supercharge that can charge your battery from 0 to 46% in just 30 minutes only. In addition to that, you get to enjoy saving all your documents and media on the enormous 128GB internal storage. You can also have an easy access to download and enjoy your desired apps from Petal search or your app gallery. So hurry up to the store and buy your own Y7A. Thanks for watching. Peace out.